The life of a dove begins in the heart of a quiet forest where the soft coos of these serene birds fill the air. This calm existence embodies a gentle rhythm marked by foraging for seeds, basking in the golden rays of the sun, and taking flight into the vast open skies. As the dove soars above the treetops, it becomes a symbol of freedom, embracing the winds that guide its journey. At the end of the day, this creature finds solace in its nest, where it rests among the gentle rustle of leaves, safe and sheltered.